A vehicle service contract program with more than one revenue stream? Yeah, it's possible. That and more as we go 3 for 3. 3 minutes to answer 3 top questions about a topic which matters to you. Today, vehicle service contracts. Hey again, I'm Joe Wynn from the GreenProfit Learning Library. Today, we're going to clear the air on vehicle service contracts. First, here's the names you may know them by. Vehicle service agreement, vehicle service contracts, major mechanical protection, mechanical breakdown protection, mechanical repair contract, and extended warranty. Whew, okay, so they're not identical, but all of those products have the same goal and basic makeup. And that's enough intro. Let's get to our questions. Question 1. What is a vehicle service contract by any name? It's an insurance-backed product designed to protect the car buyer from the financial risk of covered mechanical breakdowns. Okay, that was pretty complicated. Here's a super simple version. A VSC helps pay for fixing a car if it breaks. Question 2. What are some common misconceptions? First, a credit union can only earn their markup. In fact, they're not limited to one revenue stream. New profit-sharing programs can dramatically increase income potential while keeping coverage strong for members. Second, $0 deductible means $0. Once you add in things like diagnostic time, fluids, and taxes, some programs can leave your member paying far more than $0. Third, a VSC is collateral for a loan. That's true, but only if the provider doesn't deduct past claims from the amount, which actually happens. Question 3. What are the top pros and cons? Upside. A VSC protects members against major out-of-pocket expenses while reducing risk of delinquency and default. Downside. It's a complex and expensive product to sell, definitely harder than GAP. To do it right, you need more training and resources. Thanks for joining me to tackle the 3 biggest questions about vehicle service contracts. Visit the VSC section of our learning library to learn even more. Did this jumpstart some ideas? Perfect. Our goal is to help you find ever greater success. If you have a question, share it with us. Chances are you're not the only one. So we'll get the answer out there, which means your input helps others. After watching, make sure to subscribe to the Learning Library and share this video with your best financial friend. They'll think you're awesome for sending it. I'm Joe Wynn, and until next time, keep it honest.